Hi, good afternoon. Welcome back to Carlton Motor Company. It's Chris. Today we'll have a look around the Ford Transit 350. It's a long wheelbase, high roof. It's the Euro 5 rear wheel drive. It's the 125 brake horsepower. It's on a 66 plate, 6-speed this one. It's come with full documented history. It's got a mobile workshop in the back. It's also got a tacho and tow bar, so it's ready to go straight to work. The example in the back of this one, as you can see, vehicle conversion by motor on, and the racking system on the driver's side. So as you can see, rear wheel drive this one with a step in the back. So you've got your work spotlights inside. As I say, tacho and tow bar. We'll have a look in the cab. It's come with heated screen, your parking sensors. So have a look under the seats. Interior upholstery is as clean as what you'd hope to find. Plenty of cup holders in this one for the coffees. So you've got a heavy duty toolbox in the back of this one. It is lockable, does come with a key as well, just to help to take a few extra precautions. You can't be too safe. As you can see on the back, we've got the high-vis on the back with the tow bar and step. So the layout on this side, it is all to one side. The toolbox could, I suppose, be changed if you want the full length internally. Driver's side, have a quick look in the driver's side cab. As you can see, it's a really good example all around this one. As do all of our vehicles, this will come with a minimum 6 months MOT, and the service will be included. For all up-to-date stock and for more transit workshop vans, just jump onto the website. It's www.carltonmotorco.co.uk. Almost forgot, there is a beacon, an LED beacon up on the roof, so none of the old-fashioned amber ones, it's got the LED on this. But yes, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Cheers, bye-bye.